Hi, I'm Cameron Ma, Fixed Operations Manager at OpenRoad Toyota Port Moody. Today, I want to talk to you about a new service we offer to our guests, True Video. True Video is a technician-made video that we send directly to the guests via text. Guests have an opportunity to communicate with the technician, and the technician has an opportunity to show the guest what's going on with their vehicle so they can make an educated decision on how to proceed with repairs.
Good morning. Thank you for choosing OpenRoad Toyota for your service. My name is Nelson, and I'll be doing the service here on your RAV4. I first want to start off with your engine air filter. It is looking nice and dandy. A lot of lights going through that. No concerns there.
Why do we use True Video? We use True Video to give our guests what they want. Our guests want to be able to speak to their technician and understand what repairs are being recommended and why.
Got a little bit of an axle sway here on the driver rear. It's going to note that down for the inspection so we can monitor that.
Who wants to pay for repairs when they don't understand? Not me. There is no fee with True Video, just transparency. Book a peace of mind service and receive your very own True Video at OpenRoad Toyota Port Moody today. See you soon.